Hi, I'm Peter Vayne, personal trainer at Zap Fitness Kidman Park. Today I'm going to show you correct punching technique when boxing. Boxing is great for developing strength, cardio fitness and coordination. Boxing is a favourite exercise of mine because it's a great warm-up and lots of fun. There are 6 basic punches in boxing: the jab, cross, left uppercut, right uppercut, left hook and right hook. When doing the exercise, make sure you strike the pads or bags without bending the wrist from an arm's length away and keeping a neutral spine. Some common mistakes you might see when punching are thumb position, elbow hyperextension and leaning too far forward.